Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix when we are having a problem or issue with our Wi-Fi when it's not working in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will first begin with the Wi-Fi icon. So if you see the Wi-Fi icon here in the taskbar, just go to your or just hover your cursor to that and then make a right click, and then you will see there an option to diagnose network problems, or you will also have the troubleshoot. So either of the two, just please click on that, and then once you click on that, it will start diagnosing, or it will start troubleshooting what is the problem of your Wi-Fi connection. And then once you're done with this one, it says that you're connected. Just make a quick restart with your device and you're good to go. So just close this one, see if the problem is already fixed after the troubleshooting. And then if it's still not fixed, we can also go to the control panel. So just go to this Windows search tab here and then type control, and then you will see under best match the control panel option. So just please click on that. And then once you do that, you will be able to see this kind of window here. So if you're not seeing this kind of window, you can also go to this view by option. So we will just go to the category option here. So please go to the category options, and then you will see the system and security, network and internet. So just please go to the network and internet option. And then once you do that, you will see two options here, the network and sharing center and the internet option. So just please click on the network and sharing center option. And once you do that, you will see this kind of window here. So I am connected with the public Wi-Fi. So once you're in here, all you need to do is to go to the change adapter settings. So you will see that here in the left pane. And then once you click on that, you will get another window here. All you need to do is just to go to your network connection that you're connected with. And since I am connected with a Wi-Fi, all I need to do is just to enable the network connection that we are using. So just make a right click on that. And then if you see that this is enabled, that means, or if you see that this is grayed out, that means it is enabled. So all you need to do is just to make a right click, and then you will see enable button here instead of disable. And then just click on that, and then it will be enabled. So I am seeing disable since my network connection is already enabled. Now, once you have done that, just go to the properties option at the very bottom, and then you will see there the IPv4 or the Internet Protocol version 4. So this is the window that you will be getting, and then just select the Internet Protocol version 4 or the IPv4. And then once you have selected it, just click on this properties button, and then for the options here under general tab, just go and select obtain an IP address automatically, and they use the following DNS server addresses. So you can either choose here Cloud DNS or the Google DNS. So I am using the Google DNS. For the preferred DNS in the Google DNS, just type here 8.8.8.8, and for the alternate, we have 8.8.4.4. So just type the same here in the same with my DNS servers here. And if you want the cloud DNS, the cloud and the Google DNS are very good. So just type for the preferred DNS 1.1.1.1, and for the alternate, just type 1.0.0.1. And if you are done typing it, just please click on OK, or you can just simply go click on enter in your keyboard, and then just close this window here, and then as well as this one. So the next thing we need to do is to go to the command prompt window. So we can do that simply by going here in the Windows search tab. We need to type CMD, and then you will see under best match the command prompt options. And here in the right section, you will find there the run as administrator option. So just please click on that, and then you will get this user account control window coming up. All you need to do is just to click on yes to proceed, and then you will get this black window here. So all we need to do is just to type some commands, and I will just provide them in the description box below so that you can just easily copy it and then paste it in here. So the very first thing we need to type is ipconfig. Let me just type it in lowercase letters. So it's ipconfig space /release, and then click on enter. And then the next thing is ipconfig space / flushdns. And then click on enter. And then next is ipconfig space / renew. And then enter. And the last thing is netsh space int space ip space reset space c : / resetlog.txt. It's netsh space int space ip space reset. I'm sorry, this is actually reset space c : / resetlog.txt. Once done typing, just please click on enter, and then it will ask you to restart the computer to complete this action. And then we will have the last command, which is netsh space winsock space reset. And then once typing, just please click on enter. And when it says that the winsock catalog has been successfully reset and it asks you to restart your computer, just click on or just type exit, and then you will be exiting that window. Just make a quick restart with your device and see if the problem is already fixed. And if it's still not fixed, then we will be proceeding with the next process, which is to go to the device manager. So here in the Windows icon, please make a right click again and then go to device manager options here and just expand this window. So all we need to do is just to go to the network adapter. So we have the network adapters option. So just please click the arrow before it and then look for the option that says wireless, any option that says wireless. And then all you need to do is just to make a right click on that and then go to uninstall device. Once you have clicked on this uninstall device, just go directly to this action tab here at the very top and then go click on the scan for hardware changes. Once you have done that, it will be automatically installed, and then just close this window and then see if the problem is already fixed. And the next thing you need to do is to go back to the window, to that window. So make a right click again on this Windows icon, go to device manager option, go directly to network adapters, and then go to the wireless option. And all we need to do is just to update the driver. So just please make a right click on the wireless option, update driver, and then go to the first option here, search automatically for drivers. Now once you have done that and it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then just go back to the prior window and then go to browse my computer for drivers, select the let me pick from a list of available. And if you have selected the older version here in the compatible hardware, just select the very latest one. And then once selected, just please click on next, and it will say here installing drivers. And when it says that the driver has been already updated, then you can now click close this window and restart your device. So let's just wait for the installing process to be done, and then we will exit this window. And Windows has successfully updated your driver. So just close this window and then we will be going to the control panel. So here in the Windows search tab, we need to type control panel, and then we will have under best match the control panel option. So just please click on that, and then we are having the same window as earlier. So here we need to click again the network and internet, and this time we will be clicking on internet options. And then once you click on that, you will get this small window here. All we need to do is just to go to the internet options or the advanced options. We will be looking for the LAN settings. So please go to the connections. Here we have in the connections tab, we have the LAN settings. So just please click on LAN settings, and please make sure that you have selected here the first option under the automatic configuration section, automatically detect settings. So please make sure it is checked. And for the proxy server, if you have checked it, please uncheck it and unselect it and leave it unchecked. And then just click on OK, click on OK, close this window, and then make a quick restart with your device. See if the problem is already fixed. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.